One sentence can save your trade. Most traders think they fail because of bad analysis, poor entries, or a weak strategy. But in reality, a trade often breaks much earlier, inside a thought the trader never said out loud before clicking the button. After a loss, a missed move, or several hard trading days, a trader is rarely in a neutral state. It feels like he is still looking for a setup, but inside, something else is already running. The need to regain control, reduce tension, and prove that he still has it. That is why one trader starts revenge trading after a stop. Another jumps into a weak setup because he is afraid to miss the move again. A third holds a losing position, not because of the system, but because he does not want to feel defeat. From the outside, it looks like a discipline problem, but inside, it is usually an unspoken state. Fear, anger, shame, greed, or the urgent need to restore self-worth. And this is where something simple can actually save a trade. Before entry, do not analyze the chart for the 10th time. Stop and say one honest sentence out loud. Do I really see a setup right now? Or am I trying to numb an emotion? This sentence sounds simple, but it does something crucial. It creates distance between you and your impulse. As long as the thought stays unnamed, it controls you from the shadows. The moment you say it out loud, you are no longer trapped inside the automatic reaction. You are looking at it from the outside. That is why a strong trader is not someone who feels nothing. A strong trader is someone who can name his state before it enters the trade instead of him. If you want more breakdowns like this, revenge trading, FOMO, fear of pulling the trigger, tilt, subscribe. Get the mechanics before they fire that button for you again.